come down to go fishing, and look, we're fishing in the mangroves. How scary is that? I'm on croc watch. Oh my God, the things we do. We're in Queensland. Farewell Northern Territory. Hello Queensland.
We have enjoyed Northern Territory.
It's been a blast. We have loved the NT, but Queensland, I thought you'd be a little warmer. It's a bit chilly.
Even for Victorians it's cold.
Oh, it's so cold. But yeah, so farewell Northern Territory. Thank you for having us. It was wonderful.
And we're getting back in the car before we freeze.
Yeah, look our grandkids, here we come.
Yep, see you soon. Overtaken some road trains today, Shazza.
Oh my God, more road trains than caravans.
Yeah, that's unusual. There's been a lot of caravans, but
Burke and Will's Roadhouse Snacks Department.
icy pole time.
We've earned it.
We have.
Still a way to go yet. See you there.
Good morning, everyone.
We are in Karumba. We've driven all the way to the Gulf of Carpentaria. Go us.
Go us. Yeah.
We've driven a long way. This is our seniors day today. We're not doing nothing. Our granddaughter named it a day where we just do nothing. Well, that's today, seniors day.
And what did your dear old dad used to say when sometimes the fish weren't biting? The only things biting were the
mozzies.
So we might be in the same boat.
Yeah.
So
we'll
see.
have fun.
That's it.
See you soon. Fishing at Karumba Point. Tick that box. The things we do. We don't care if we catch fish or not. At least we're here and we're doing it. And we're having fun. So are you enjoying fishing at Karumba on the Gulf of Carpentaria, Shori?
Too worried about being eaten by a croc to enjoy anything.
This is true, yes. It's a very stressful place to fish.
I'm just waiting to run.
You're clearly meant to go out in boats in this place. That's what everybody does. They all go out in boats. So we're going to just wing it with the crocs. a very restful day in Karumba on the Gulf of Carpentaria. Long way from home.
Long way from home.
Yeah. You should see all the crabs here. They're just running everywhere, but we can't film them. They're too quick for us. But it's pretty cool. They're just everywhere. Got little red legs.
Red-legged crabs they are.
I've called them half-baked crabs.
Half-baked crabs,
because they're half-cooked.
They are bright red too, aren't they?
Yeah.
Little legs.
We've come down for a sunset, but it's starting to rain, so we'll see how that goes.
There's a few storms coming through, starting to come through, so
We're going to have a very wet few days ahead of us, I think, so we've enjoyed the sunshine today though.
we
It's
have.
been
It's
lovely.
been nice.
Yeah.
So,
So
yeah.
we'll see you in Cairns.
See you there, guys.